Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
facing an uphill battle in the Lok Sabha elections and struggling to win back voter confidence, the Congress this week came out with its manifesto announcing a raft of promises to woo the marginalized, such as lifting the 50% cap on quota for SC, STs and OBCs, in addition to reservation in private educational institutions. The party has outlined steps to create jobs, hoping those would strike a chord with the youth, even as it has offered cash doles to women, besides pledging to reserve 50% of central government jobs for them. The 46-page document titled Nyay Patra promises a legal guarantee for minimum support price for farmers, crops, cashless insurance up to 25 lakhs for universal healthcare, and offers compulsory and free education from class 1 to class 12 in public schools. The Congress has also stated that it will, if voted to power, bring a law to recognize civil union between couples belonging to the LGBTQIA+ community. Aam Aadmi Party leader Sanjay Singh walked out of the Tihar jail after 6 months after the Supreme Court granted bail to the Aam Aadmi Party leader and posed tough questions to the Enforcement Directorate, asking why he had been jailed for over 6 months without a trial or recovery of an alleged bribe of 2 crores. The court then directed Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju to confer with the ED and decide if the custody of Sanjay Singh is warranted at this stage. Singh was released after the ED said it did not want custody. Sanjay Singh has been in Delhi's Tihar jail since his arrest in October in the alleged liquor policy scam, which has rolled the opposition party and seen the arrests of Manish Sisodia and Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal weeks before the election. The India Meteorological Department said on Monday that the country is set to experience extreme heat wave days between April and June this year, coinciding with the Lok Sabha elections scheduled in 7 phases from April 19 till June 1. As per reports, IMD's Director General stated that above normal maximum temperatures are expected over most parts of the country during the April-June period, with a higher likelihood in central and western peninsular India. During this time, above normal heatwave conditions are anticipated across most plain areas. The official further noted that various parts of the country could expect 10 to 20 heatwave days compared to the usual 4 to 8 days. Gujarat, Central Maharashtra, Northern Karnataka, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, North Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh are among the regions likely to face the most severe impact of heat waves. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said toughest legal action will be taken against agents who duped students from Kerala into fighting for Russia in its war against Ukraine. Interacting with media persons in Thiruvananthapuram today, Jaishankar said, "This is a matter of very, very deep concern for us. We called the Russian ambassador. Our ambassador in Moscow was instructed to go to the foreign ministry." He further assured that the efforts were on to ascertain how many Indians were stuck in the country and attempts were being made to get them back. Last month, Ministry of External Affairs official spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said that India is constantly in touch with the Russian authorities to have Indian nationals released and discharged from the Russian army as early as possible. The much-awaited sequel No Entry 2 is in the works, with director Anis Bazmi gearing up for a fresh take. Producer Boney Kapoor has confirmed that Varun Dhawan, Arjun Kapoor and Diljit Dosanjh will headline the project, sparking high expectations among fans for this new ensemble to bring their flair to the beloved franchise. Boney Kapoor split the beans to Bollywood Hungama that not only will the actors romance 10 heroines in the film, but they also plan to kick off the movie by the end of the year. During the promotion of Maidan, Boney exclaimed, "All the rumors are true. Let's hope it is as interesting and as fun as No Entry 1. With the entire cast changed, including new actresses, the stage is set for a fresh and hilarious interpretation of the beloved comedy. Boney Kapoor assured fans that the actors and director Anis Bazmi are locked in while the casting for actresses is underway.